Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use Hennasooq's Sweet Honey Infused Ayurvedic Bundle box. So this box does come with 3 products, which includes the Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, the Zizyphus Powder, as well as the Sweet Honey Enriching Hair Nourisher. So it also gives you guidelines as well to use each week. So there's guidelines for high porosity hair and low porosity hair. I'm going to be going in with the low porosity method because I do have low porosity hair. So without further talking, let's just get right into this video. For week 1, we are going to be using the Sweet Honey Gloss Bar as a pre-poo treatment. We're going to take half the bar and use as directed on the package. We're going to leave this treatment in our hair for at least 2 hours. Ideally, use a steamer for low porosity and dry hair. Then we're going to rinse out with cool water to seal in moisture and close cuticles and pores. Then we're going to dry, moisturize, and style as usual. Warmed up my gloss bar using the double boil method, which was I put the pot on the stove, I put water in the pot, I put a glass plate on top of the stove with the water in it, and then I put the bar inside the glass plate and I just allowed it to melt down and I stirred it. So what I did add to my gloss bar was just some oil mixtures that I have. You can use coconut milk too, based on the how to use and suggested additions on the gloss bar packet. Again, this is the consistency of my gloss bar. It's very similar to the Henna gloss bar as well. So this one is the Sweet Honey Gloss Bar. It's rich in color just like the Henna gloss bar, and it actually smells like it as well. So I'm actually really excited to try this because I know that my hair does love honey. Honey does such a great job on my hair. So this is my hair before. I did have my hair in a low ponytail with about 5 big twists in, and I literally just took it out today. Okay guys, so I did want to show my scalp. I just wanted to show you how clean it is a week and a few days later after using the first bundle box that I got from Hennasooq. So my scalp is still in pretty good condition. Okay guys, so the Sweet Honey Gloss Bar is applied to both sides of my hair. I did want to come on camera and let you know what was in it. So the ingredients in this gloss bar is cocoa butter, shea butter, cassia, Zizyphus, marshmallow root, honey, and otafin. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what my hair looks like after rinsing out the co-wash and a little bit of conditioner. So this is pretty much it for week 1. I went in with the gloss bar, I went in with the co-wash, and then I just did a little condition afterwards on my scalp mostly. And yeah, this is what my hair pretty much looks like. Hey guys, and welcome back to week 2 of the Honey Infused Ayurvedic Regimen bundle box that I'm using. So in this week, we are going to be using the Zizyphus hair treatment. So we're going to be taking half of the package and mixing it with warm to hot distilled water. We're applying onto washed, damped hair strands, and we're allowing it to stay in our hair for at least 2 hours. Then we're going to rinse out with cool water to seal in moisture and close cuticles and pores. Next, we're going to be using the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher as a deep conditioning treatment as directed on the package. And then once we're done, we're going to dry, moisturize, and style as usual. So this is my hair from week 1. I pretty much just did a wash and go. So my hair is a little bit dry from the wash and go. I really didn't use the best moisturizing products for that wash and go. This is the Zizyphus Powder hair. So I've used half of the package, as you can see. There's my powder. Okay, so I've added the water. This is what it's looking like now that I'm mixing it up. So I'm just gonna keep whipping this until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Okay guys, so I pretty much got it to a consistency that I like. Okay guys, so I do have the mask applied to both sides of my hair, so I'm just gonna leave this mask on for 2 hours. Okay guys, so I'm back. I rinsed the Zizyphus powder off of my hair, so this is what my hair is looking like. So I just want to say that I did go in with a shampoo after rinsing out the Zizyphus mask, and that's because I don't have any more of the co-wash left, so I did have to use the shampoo just to thoroughly wash my hair out. So now I'm going to be going in with the Sweet Honey Nourishing Bar. So the instructions did advise to use it as directed on the package. So the packet says, for best results, apply onto damp hair by sections and gently smooth sweet honey onto hair. Cover with plastic cap and allow to penetrate for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, moisture, and style as usual. So as you can see, the consistency of it, there's a little bit in my cap hair. It is honey, so I guess it melts like in warm temperatures, but for the most part it's still very, very solid. So the moist part, this is the texture of the moist. So it really does feel like honey. It gives like a tacky feel or texture. It actually smells like honey and lemon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, my hairs are ready in 2 sections. So of course I'm going to start with one section first to apply this. Taking a chunk like that. Then I'm going to rub it in my hands. And I'm going to gently massage it into this first section. Okay guys, so I'm back. I rinsed the Sweet Honey Nourishing bar off of my hair. And so this is pretty much what my hair looks like. I do want to mention though that I did go in with a conditioner after rinsing the Sweet Honey Nourishing bar off, and that's just because I really wanted to further detangle my hair. So this is pretty much my hair. It looks good. It smells really good. I can still smell the Sweet Honey Nourishing bar in it, which is good because I like that scent a lot. My scalp is clean, really clean. Hey guys, and welcome to week 3 of this video. So this is the final week for this bundle box. And this week we're going right back in with the other half of the Sweet Honey Gloss bar. So as you know, I use the full bars. I did have 2, so I already used 1. This is my second bar. So I kept mine in the freezer just to avoid it from melting. So let's just see how it looks being in the freezer all that time. So I'm gonna go and melt my bar over the stove pot doing the double boil method. I just want to say though, which I didn't say in week 1, that I do realize that this gloss bar is much more greenier than the Henna gloss bar. So this one is greeny. The Henna gloss bar really wasn't greeny at all, but this one is. This is pretty much my hair. I rocked a no product wash and go. Okay guys, so the gloss bar is applied to both sides of my hair. The package recommends that you leave this on for 1 to 4 hours. I'm gonna leave this on for an hour and a half, and then I'm going to rinse this out, come back, show you my hair. Okay guys, so I've rinsed the honey gloss bar off, and this is pretty much it. This is what my hair is looking like after rinsing the bar off. So guys, these are my final results after using the Sweet Honey Infused Ayurvedic Bundle Box by Hennasooq. So this is a no product wash and go that I am wearing. I did do a half up, half down just to take some of the hair off of my face, but I absolutely love my hair. I love the way my hair feels. I will definitely recommend this box, especially for an Ayurvedic beginner. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next upload.